Good morning, children. Welcome to class 3 English 2. Previous class we have learned lesson 2's golden mangoes fill up. No, to fill up we have learned, and I told you to do this two fill ups in copy. Then one more homework was there, that is given in page number 15. Some pictures were given there, that means the symbols of our country India. And I told you to write a line or two lines about it. I hope all of you have done these three homeworks in copy. Okay. Then the next today we will discuss the question answer. Okay, answer the following questions. So listen all of you. First I will discuss, then last once again I will read. That time you can write in copy. Okay, now don't do in copy, just listen what I am explaining. Number 1, what was King Krishnadevaraya's mother's last unfulfilled wish? We know that King Krishnadevaraya's mother had a wish. What was the wish? To give away fruits to some poor people on an auspicious day. Poor people ask gifts on an auspicious day. Auspicious means special day, any favorable day. That means like our birthday, wedding day, that is known as auspicious day. Okay, so any auspicious day to give some fruits as gifts to the poor people. That was her last wish. But that wish was not filled, Puriniva, because she passed away that time. Okay, so it was not fulfilled, so it is called unfulfilled. So what was that wish? Very simple question and simple answer. Answer is King Krishnadevaraya's mother's last unfulfilled wish was to give away fruits as gifts to the poor on an auspicious day. Understood this, all of you? Yes. Then next question. Why did Tenali Rama call the Pandits to his house on the same day? The Tenali Rama called the Pandits on the same day as that of the king's mother's death ceremony. Okay. So why he called the Pandits the same day? That is our question. So what may be the answer? We know that Tenali Rama knew that the Pandits were trying to cheat the king. So he wanted to stop this. That is why he wanted to teach them a lesson. Okay, that is why he called the Pandits on the same day. Okay, so we can say write the answer like this. Tenali Rama called the Pandits to his house on the same day because he wanted to teach the greedy Pandits a lesson. Okay, understood this, all of you? Yes. Then number 3, how did Tenali Rama outsmart the greedy Pandits? What is outsmart? Outsmart means defeat. Okay, defeated or defeat. Defeat means har dena. How did Tenali Rama outsmart the greedy Pandits? Or how did Tenali Rama stop the greedy Pandits from doing this? How? In what way? So very simple answer. Tenali Rama outsmarted the greedy Pandits by using his wisdom. Wisdom means dimag. Okay. So Tenali Rama was a witty man, clever man, no? So by using his witty, okay, that means his wisdom, he outsmarted the greedy Pandits, defeated the greedy Pandits. Okay. Then next question is, what was Tenali Rama trying to do by teaching the Pandits a lesson? So in this story we have learned that Tenali Rama taught the Pandits a lesson. So the terrified Pandits they understood their mistake and they left all the golden mangoes and went away. That we learned from this lesson. Okay, so what was Tenali Rama trying to do by teaching the Pandits a lesson? By teaching the Pandits a lesson, or what was the reason behind it? So why he wished to teach them a lesson? That is the answer of this question. So how will we write the answer? By teaching the Pandits a lesson, he prevented them from exploiting the public. That means the Pandits were exploiting the public. No, exploiting means cheating. The Pandits were trying to cheat the king. So that was not justice, injustice. No. So this has to be stopped or prevented. So in order to prevent or stop that activity, Tenali Rama played a trick or taught the Pandits, greedy Pandits, a lesson. So in that way, that means by learning a lesson, the greedy Pandits understood their mistake and they went away. So for that, so in order to teach them a lesson or prevent them from exploiting the public, Tenali Rama trying to teach them a lesson. Okay, so you can write the answer like this: by teaching the Pandits a lesson, he prevented them from exploiting the public. Clear? Okay. The next question is, do you agree that Tenali Rama was a wise and witty man? Do you agree? Yes, we agree that. No, we all agree that Tenali Rama was a wise and witty man because he could outsmart the greedy Pandits from exploiting the king. Okay, so the answer is simple way we can write, yes, I agree that Tenali Rama was a wise and witty man. So I hope all of you understood this word meanings of this special new words and understood this answer. Then once again I will explain, I will read the question answer. Okay, now you can write in copy. What was King Krishnadevaraya's mother's last unfulfilled wish? King Krishnadevaraya's mother's last unfulfilled wish was to give away fruits as gifts on an auspicious day. Then second question, why did Tenali Rama call the Pandits to his house on the same day? Tenali Rama called the Pandits to his house on the same day because he wanted to teach the greedy Pandits a lesson. Then number 3, how did Tenali Rama outsmart the greedy Pandits? Tenali Rama outsmarted the greedy Pandits by using his wisdom. Then fourth question, what was Tenali Rama trying to do by teaching the Pandits a lesson? By teaching the Pandits a lesson, he prevented them from exploiting the public. If you did not get the meaning exploiting, you can write cheating in place of exploiting, cheating. The meaning of exploiting is cheating. Okay, and he prevented means stopped, and by teaching the Pandits a lesson, he stopped the greedy Pandits from exploiting the public. Then number 5, do you agree that Tenali Rama was a wise and witty man? Yes, I agree that Tenali Rama was a wise and witty man. Okay, understood this all of you? So write this in copy. Okay, write this question answer in copy. Clear? Okay, then one more homework is there. This okay, this you don't do in copy, but you have to understand this. Okay, page number 19. Page number 19, circle the odd word, discuss why it is odd. Okay, circle the odd word, discuss why it is odd. Listen, 5 groups are given there, and each group 4 words are there, and 3 words comes under a category, but 1 word is special or odd one. We have to find out that special word and circle it. Okay. So in the first group, the words are witty, dull, clever, smart. Which one is the odd one or special one? So look at the words and what are the meanings of these words. Witty means clever. Dull means not clever. Clever, clever. Smart also clever. So witty, clever, smart have the same meaning. They are synonyms. But dull has opposite meaning. So dull is the odd one or special word. Okay. So and circle the dull. This is the odd one. Then next group, modern, orthodox, old fashioned, traditional. So what are the word meanings of these words? Modern means modern. Orthodox means old. Old fashioned, old. Traditional also means old. Okay. So orthodox, old fashioned, traditional have the same meaning old, but modern is different. That has opposite meaning. Okay. Then modern is the odd one. So circle this. Then third group, afraid, scared, terrified, brave. Okay. So which one is the special one? Brave is the special one because afraid, scared, terrified has the same meaning. That means darna. Okay, afraid, scared, terrified. But brave is its opposite. Clear? So brave is the special one. So circle it. Then cheating, exploiting, cunning, honest. We know that cheating, exploiting, cheating, cunning, also cheating. Okay, that means cheating mentality, cunning. Then honest is different. Okay, opposite of it. So honest is the odd one. Then asked, inquired, answered, questioned. We know that asked, inquired, questioned have the same meaning, but answered is its opposite. So answered is the odd one or special one. Okay. So once again I will read all the word from all the odd word. In first group, dull is the odd one. Second group, modern is the odd one. Third group, brave is the odd one. Fourth group, honest is the odd one. And last, answered is the odd one. Okay. Clear? So this you don't do in copy, this just do in book. And the question answer do in copy. Okay. Bye.